Hi there! Thank you for joining me today on Reading with Miss Jess. Today's story is Monster Farts by Rebecca Rae Williams. Some farts are big. Some farts are small. Some farts don't make any noise at all. Some farts are short. Some farts are long. Some farts sound like a silly little song. Some farts are gassy. Some farts may leak. Some farts come packed with a little bit of heat. Some farts are loud for others to hear. Some farts sneak out when friends are near. Some farts are so grand that people may cheer. Some farts may cause you to shed a small tear. Some farts are bubbly. Some farts are fake. Some farts can even keep you awake. But one thing is certain. One thing is true. All monsters fart. It's just something we do. The end. Dude, really?